So today is our first video where I will be cooking country chicken curry restaurant style. It's very tasty and believe me, once you try at home, you will love the taste and always want to eat this. So let's begin the process. तो इसको हम ऑलरेडी आधा घंटा तक मैरिनेट कर चुके हैं. मैरिनेशन में क्या जाएगा? पानी के ऊपर विनेगर 2 चम्मच नमक और 2 चम्मच चीनी. आधा घंटा से 45 मिनट्स तक. इट विल गिव बेटर रिजल्ट एंड once you see the change in color of the chicken, then you will know that the marination is complete. And see what do we need for the gravy. Basically the gravy: 2 big onions, 2 medium sized tomato, 3 green chilies, and very important thing, dhania patta. Dhania patta, we want to take the roots of the dhania patta also, because that will give a great taste to the gravy. With these 4 basic ingredients, we need ginger garlic paste, and this is Guru's special homemade ginger garlic paste. और फिर हमारा ड्राई मसाले, शाही जीरा 1 टीस्पून, 2-3 bay leaf, lot of coriander powder, Kashmiri lal mirch. This is very important. Guru's secret recipe of garam masala. This I will give you the recipe separately along this video. Then we have haldi, namak swad anusar, roasted jeera powder, and then we have kasturi methi. And then finally, to enhance the taste, we will add Amul butter. So चलिए दोस्तों, then let's start. एक साफ बढ़िया एल्युमिनियम कढ़ाई, थोड़ा बड़ा साइज क्योंकि हमारे पास चिकन बड़ा पीस है. And the weight of the chicken was, after dressing, 650 grams. Let the oil heat a bit, and once it is hot, we will add our shahi jeera and the bay leaves together. So once the jeera starts crackling, we will add our 2 large give it a stir. One thing you should remember, this is basic thing in cooking, is how much love and affection you are showing towards the dish. That will create magic in your dish. Still in medium flame, we will fry the onions till they are light golden brown. Not completely, light golden brown. So on medium high flame we do this. Friends, at this stage, once we put the onion in the oil, we will add a pinch of salt to the onion after a minute or two, for the onion to leave the moisture and make the process faster for onions to get brown. And then we will add simultaneously green chilies also. Give it a stir, and then we will cover it for onions to leave the moisture and for them to turn brown. अच्छा दोस्तों, now it's been 10 to 12 minutes. Let's see how the onion looks. To me it looks perfect for adding the next ingredient. This is the color what we are looking at. This should be the color of the onions before we add nice 2 large teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. This is homemade ginger garlic paste. Give it a stir so that the raw smell of ginger and garlic goes away. Not for long, just a minute or two, and then we add the tomatoes. Flame is now on low so that we don't want the onions to burn. Now friends, we are adding the tomatoes. Give it a stir and then we can add the coriander leaves also with the roots so that it gives a nice taste to the gravy. Stir and then lid for roughly around 5 to 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes, 10 to 12 minutes. We take out the lid and see, and this is the exactly what we are looking for, the consistency. At this point you can slightly raise the flame and add a bit of water, just a little bit. Stir again and see that nothing is sticking to the pan. Flame high, give it a boil, and then we switch off, and then under the fan we have to cool it down, cool this gravy. In kadhai we will use around 75 grams of Amul butter. स्लो आंच में flame, let butter not burn, and before that only we will add this degi mirch, Kashmiri lal mirch. Looks like little more butter, but don't worry friends, if you need the taste, don't worry about the butter, use it. Now पिसा हुआ मसाला जो था ग्रेवी, we will add that. Little water, if the consistency is very thick, then add little water, and then our dry ingredients. So after adding all the dry ingredients or dry masalas, give it a nice stir, and now you can put the flame on high. Add little bit of water and salt as per your taste, and remember we have salt in the marination also, so add accordingly. Water. Keep the flame on high, like I said. Let the first boil come and then we will add the chicken. Now after the first boil, add the chicken pieces. Look, the chicken pieces, purposely we have got it cut large pieces, exactly like restaurant style. This would be all quarter plates. So after, let's say 20-25 minutes, when we open, this is how it looks now. See the layer of the red color and the gravy, exactly like a restaurant style. So we'll now plate it up. Friends, after little bit of garnishing with coriander leaves, this is how it looks. Country chicken, restaurant style chicken gravy.